Tuesday. I had to think about what day it is. It's Tuesday. We're back down here in the shop. We were down here the other day and I just completely forgot to pick up the video camera. I didn't even know you brought it down here. So yeah, we're gonna work on several different things today. We've got to work on nuts and bolts, that kind of thing on the race car. Brad's gonna work on all of that. I'm gonna work on some tires, so you guys will probably be seeing some tire action tonight as far as videoing, and then I'll video some of the stuff that Brad's working on the car as well when I can and when I get a chance to. So that's what the plan is for tonight. We're gonna hope to get everything pretty much done except for loading up tonight so that we don't have to worry about that this weekend. Brad is off the remainder of the week because he took off several days, but we've got a funeral. My great uncle died, so we got a funeral tomorrow, and got to do some stuff Thursday. So anyway, we will be racing Sunday night at Talladega Short Track. We'll be running 604 crate. Their USCS sprint cars should be there, so you guys come out and watch an action-packed night. It's going to be a lot going on. The sprint cars always put on a good show. It's a little bit longer show because they do have to be pushed off, but a good show nonetheless. But let's get to work, get some of these tires done.
Finally got my tire girl back. So on the way home from Mountain View the other night, noticed something flopping in the wind in the mirror coming down the interstate. You see that piece right there? Had to go through and put some rivets. The tape kind of failed right there, but if you'll notice, this is kind of one of those side unseen type deals. That's still the 3M tape right there. That's not taped down because the sheet metal was just a fuzz too short, and I didn't want to cut a new sheet of metal to make a door because I needed it somewhere else. So I just let it ride, and I guess the 7 or 8 times we've raced this year it's been okay, but coming down the interstate where it's not mounted down here really well, it started lifting up and peeling back and flopping. So got some pop rivets. I done some work on the latch. The latch, we used to have to slam the door. Now the latch is real easy. Took that out, opened this hole up more and slid this, I guess this is the striker, whatever this is. Slid it over some more. So now we don't have to slam the door when we close it. Works good. Now it's just got a big gap right there though. And I guess that's better than coming open going down the road. Alright, I'm gonna get in here and check nuts and bolts while Dallas finishes up tires and go from there.
Alright guys, so we finished up tires. Chris is holding them down over here. So we finished up tires. Did you check nuts and bolts? Chris checked.
Nuts and bolts are good.
You checked nuts and bolts. Chris checked nuts and bolts.
I got a grease. He did.
Oh, he did.
Me and both.
Oh, okay. Both of them checked nuts and bolts.
I got to grease the front end, ball joints.
So if anything falls off, it's Austin's fault.
Yeah, Austin.
I got to grease the front end. Got to play with the shocks on the smasher a little bit. And change gear and put the body back on.
Gas.
And gas.
Okay.
So.
Fixed the door, did tires. We got a lot done.
Yeah, it's
Bad.
pretty much everything. I mean, it'll have to be loaded up Saturday though, so that we don't have to do anything Sunday. We got a really big day Sunday, so don't need to be. All right, I can't do anything Sunday. It's got to be done Saturday for sure. So we don't have much left to do, and it'll be ready to go.
All right, so that's what all we got done tonight. Sunday, he's got to preach, and then we've got a baptism service. So we got a lot going on Sunday. Chris, over here, will be taking the car down to the track, and hopefully we'll have some people meeting him there to help him unload it and everything. We may be done before then. But anyway.
Yeah, I mean, it's possible.
Yeah. We'll be at the track either way on Sunday. Chris may have to take it. We may be able to take it. We'll see. So if you guys don't have anything going on Sunday, come out and watch a good night of racing, because I'm sure it's going to be just that. There will be, I think they're having a full racing program plus the USCS sprint cars. So we look forward to that. Thanks to all of you guys for watching. Thanks to all of our partners, Warp Speed Performance Parts, Barry Apparel Co, WJI Enterprises, BB Designs, Penske Race Shocks, Brinn Transmission. Appreciate Hunter at PPM. Appreciate Brinn at Jack at Brinn. I'll get my thoughts together in a second. But we'll catch you back out here soon. Maybe Friday, maybe Saturday, maybe Thursday. Who knows? But we'll be back out here.